Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am Jayavardhan, and today in this live we would like to explore the options which are in VS Code. So in this live we will be discussing about what all the options are there in VS Code and how our extensions are there, how many extensions are there, which extensions are very useful for us, and how to work with the VS Code. So are you guys excited? Let's get into this. So initially, this is a project folder. I would like to create a project folder on my desktop, naming it as VS Code. And after opening the VS Code, I would like to close this the initial folder. So this is the initial setup of how VS Code is there. So I would like to drag this folder into the VS Code. So after dragging it into the VS Code, you could see trust the others of all the folders in this desktop. It is just an authorization action from the VS Code. So let's type on yes, I trust the actions. And inside the VS Code, to create any folders, we would be having various types of options. So here this is an option which is used to create a new file, and here it is an option which can be helped to create any new folder. So if you want to create a subfolder inside our main folder, let us name it as subfolder. And inside the subfolder, let's create a file called test.py. So initially I have an option called test.py is a file which is used to run Python programs. You can also create various types of files like HTML files, JavaScript files, and CSS files. So initially we'll try to print any output calling hello Python. So initially to run this program, we will be having a terminal, and we also have this run code option. This is available within an extension. We will discuss about that extension later. So after running this Python program, we could see the output hello Python. So do you wonder how this run code option is being available here? So this is all caused by an extension called all files code runner. So this is the extension which is known as code runner, which helps in running C, C++, Java, PS, PHP, Python, Perry, Ruby, Go, Lava, Groovy, PowerShell, etc., and everything. So I think no one is in this live. Let us continue this one, and I will also try to post this live as a video. If you are having any free time and if you want to learn any good extensions in this VS Code, definitely you can watch this video till the end. So using this code runner, I installed this code runner already in this system. After installing this, we will be getting an option called run code. And if we go to our Python program and if we tap on run code, and it's done, boom. So yeah, hello Python is the output you could see. So this is a Python file. So I'm running with this. So are you guys wondered about how to? I'm just deleting this file. How to run any HTML file inside uh, VS Code? So let us see about that also. So initially I have index.html file, and I also want to restore my Python file in this. So initially we would try to keep this Python file inside this. So we'll try to create an HTML file inside this. So I would like to name it as index.html. All of you generally name it as index.html based on your requirement. So I would like to close this terminal. And are you guys excited? Like, do you know how to load the boiler template of the HTML file? Everyone try to watch many reels or many shorts, like how to build up the HTML general layer. So here we can see there is an option called exclamatory mark, which will be above your one in the keyboard. If you simply tap on Shift plus one, you would see this exclamatory mark, and you could see this option available in the HTML file. And if you tap on enter, and it's just boom, you could see our HTML boiler template has been downloaded. So in this HTML boiler template, I would like to create one heading tag. You can also know what is a HTML heading tag. So let us also discuss about what is this HTML and how it is working. So inside this HTML index.html, you could see that doctype.html is the main top element, which is every HTML file starts with a HTML tag and it ends with a closed HTML tag. So that is about that. Just give me a minute. So, 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 I was just checking my video, like how it is working in the live. Okay, you could all see this code and how it is working. So let us continue in our HTML series. Excuse me. So after you can see the HTML tag starts with this, and it is also just a boiler template. Inside the head, you will be having all the meta char set, meta name, etc. And here it will be the title, which is used to specify at the top of the page. Here, the in the web browser, you could see text appearing that we can change in this. So here, I want to keep it as a test, and I have kept a test. And HTML tag. There are various types of HTML tags starting from headings tag, para tag, etc. So let us discuss about heading tags. Heading tags comes with H1 to H6. There are different types of heading tags. So inside that, I would like to keep Text Symphony as my channel name. So after keeping this, how to run this HTML file or how to see the output? Have you guys wondered like how you could see? It is all done by a simple extension. There are two ways to do this. We will discuss about those two ways in this. Initially, we could see in the VS Code end there will be an option called Go Live. How this Go Live option is enabled? Are you guys wondered? So the Go Live option is wondered by an option called extension called Live Server. So when you tap on live server, there are various types of options available, but I would like to recommend live server with the pink button. This is the best live server I have ever found with the low latency, and this will work very fine. And this also gives you HTML outputs, and you could see you could try to install this live server extension. And I will also give this all these links in this video's description. So if you tap on go live, it will just start on a default port 5500 in your system, and inside that you could see the output. Here we already specified the title tag, that is test, and text symphony as the heading tag h1 is being displayed in this. So this is how you try to view the output of the HTML file. And you also know there is another option called live server preview. Live preview also we could type. We'll type on live preview. This is a Microsoft enabled extension where you could try to view your code inside the VS Code itself. So how to view this, we will see. So after installing that live preview extension from the Microsoft, if you tap on your right click of the mouse, you could see various types of options available. Inside that, you could see the option called Show Preview. If you tap on Show Preview, you can directly see the output inside the VS Code only. So this is how you can see how the output is being displayed and everything. I'll try to close this one. So this is another extension. And you all know VS Code comes with a very generic layout. It will not give any of these folder icons or any of this HTML icon, Python icon, or folder, etc. So it comes with a very generic layout that would be very boring or uninteresting. So for this also there is an extension called folder icons option. I would like to show that in my extensions place. So there is an extension called file and folder icons and file icons. You could use any of this extension. Here you could able to download all the icons which are required for your website. So he can see there are various numerous of file specific icons in this. So if you just simply install this extension, you could get all these things inside your VS Code. And also there is another more good extension which is useful for everyone who are using VS Code. If you want to save anything in the VS Code, you need to manually press Control places and save numerous number of times. So using that, better than that, there is an option of extension called save typing, where it auto saves the file while typing only. For example, if I want to make any change, just observe the index.html side, there is an option called into to close this file. Just observe that while I am typing. So while I am typing, it is giving an block and it is auto saving. So here, if I type anything, auto save, you could see while typing only it is being saved. So this is how this extension works. And also there are various types of numerous editors based on your requirements. So if you these are all my installed extensions. If you want to find anything about any extension, this is available in marketplace of the VX code. So if I want to get any React extension, see, you could see numerous number of extensions available in this marketplace. So these are all about the extensions in the VS Code. And if you want to run anything on this VS Code, we can easily run using this live server and live preview. So this is all about our VS Code and how it is working, and how we can create files, how we can run files, and many more tricks. And extensions also, you could see various types of extensions are available. So is there anyone in the live? I'm sorry. So I think no one is in the live. I would like to, if there are any more topics which you are interested, you can simply post them in the chat, or you can simply ask them regarding what all the things you want, in what are the doubts you want to learn using this. And if you have any suggestions also, you can provide us, and please try to support me. Thank you for watching.